Welcome back to another episode of the S14 build. So today the plan is to throw some more of the exterior together on the S14. Fenders, lights, front bumper maybe. As of right now, I'm cleaning the front lights. I got overspray on them when I was painting the core sport white, probably like 9 months ago now. So I took that overspray off with acetone and a very firm toothbrush. Now I'm gonna go over some LA's Finest Awesome Spray. And then we'll go see what Ruben's doing and probably go and throw the whole front end on later today.
Never be seen, chasing following dreams. I've been out living our dreams, ain't nothing know what it seems. I know I can't be obscene, maybe I'm only 18. Yeah, just know I'm here with Eugene, we cook up in on the scene. Yeah, I've been on fucking the queen, working on making bitch like a machine. Baby girl, I don't know, fuck with the scene. Bitches don't work out, they never be seen, chasing following dreams. I don't mind, I know you know what I mean.
Pretty much a good chunk of the front end is now on. I mean, fenders, lights, position lights, the front bumper, and these things are on, like to say they're not like temporarily on. For the most part, everything is on, like finalized. So I just got back from running an errand back home, picking up the corner lights because we left those at home. We're running just the same corner lights as the run position lights, they're just the clear ones. And while I was out, I stopped by Walmart, picked up some double-sided sticky tape for the side skirts, and my zinky taillights. Kind of running out of breath, but we pretty much have everything here now, and we're gonna try to throw on the last few bits before we call it a day. So yeah, this is how everything looks like as of right now. We're kind of fighting daylight right now, so I'm not gonna show too much, but it's getting there. It looks pretty sick. Front end looks wild. I'm excited.